All right, so I need your help unwinding my balls. I have so many yarn balls of different colors that I'm not sure what to do with. I have been contemplating for a while now and can't decide out of 4 different ideas that I have. So I need your help in deciding. Hi, I'm Darlene and this is Heartfelt Crochets, and on this channel is where I research, I study, I share, and I teach all things crochet. So at the end of this video, if you have found it helpful in any way or you have at least liked it, then please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Okay, so I created a poll over in the community tab, so go ahead into the community if you want to participate, and I hope that you do. I have 4 different things that I want you to choose from, and the highest percentage is the one that is going to get the win. And I'm going to give it 2 weeks. This is posting on the 30th of October, and on the, what was it I said? And on the 13th of November, I am going to have another video that is going to be letting you know which one won the poll. Okay, so here are the 4 things, and then I'll show you what I have for yarn. Or should I show you the colors first? Let me show you the colors first. That way you can have an idea in your head what I have for colors when I give you the 4 ideas that are going to be in the poll. Okay. All right. So, first, I have this little bowl. Okay. And in this little bowl, what I have for colors is I have this variegated yarn that seems to have light blue, some greens, dark blue. It's pretty. And then I have a ball of sage. As you can see, we've got a brown tail that is sticking out of this cream colored ball, and it's because it's variegated, and it has like a, let me pull it out a little bit. It has a little bit of like a tan, and then it has some rust color. So keep that in mind. Then I have this one. This is salmon. We have bright pink, tan, bright yellow, brown, we know it's a blue. I'm not exactly sure the exact color, but it's in the blue family. Again, some more tan, just like the ball that I just showed you. We have white. This is different. This is really pretty, and it feels kind of like it's really soft. I think this one is wool, and it's kind of like in a burgundy color. It's really pretty. And then we have red, and then we have another tan. It's like we got 3 balls of tan, and we might even have more in the other. So that's what I have in that bowl. Okay. So let's put these back in the bowl really quick and set that aside. Then I have this basket. This is a big old ball of gold yarn that I threw in there because I don't use it very often, and it's a scrap. Okay, whoop. All right, so what just went rolling across the floor was another ball of white yarn. Now, these are some thicker yarns that didn't really belong in this basket. So I'm going to go ahead and put these over in the basket where they belong. In the other basket, I have so many different baskets of different weight yarns and different textures. This is just the worsted yarn. Number 4, worsted, mostly acrylic. So this is in like a really pretty teal, kind of teal, I think. And then again, I have another wool ball of blue wool yarn. This one doesn't belong in there. I have this darker green. Got a medium brown, gray, a darker gray, another red. This is the color Seal. It's a lighter blue. And then I have an actual like Christmas green. Purple. Again, brown. This is this the same color? This is the same color teal, just a bigger ball. And then I have 2 smaller balls, a big ball and a medium-sized ball of this like camouflage color. This is really neat. So that's what I have for colors. And it's quite a variety of different colors, so it's gonna make a pretty funky looking project if I use most of these colors. I want to try to use as many colors as possible of all of these in the one project. Here are my 4 ideas that are in the poll for you to vote on which one you want me to tackle. I'm excited because I'm excited. Okay. The first one is a wacky lap blanket. The second one is a funky sweater. Third, crazy slipper socks. And 4th, a wild tote bag. So go ahead, hear that squeak? Go ahead and participate in that poll. I would absolutely love it. The more, the better, because I'm going to let this go for 2 weeks. Like I said, put in your vote. I will check it in 2 weeks. I will let you know which one is the winner on the 13th of November in that video. And then I will commence to crocheting, and I will let you see the final product when I am finished. I'm really excited about this. Help me unwind my yarn balls into something beautiful. Comment below and let me know if you have tackled a bunch of your yarn scraps and what you made, and maybe even go over in the community page and throw in a picture of what you made. I'd love to see it. Until next time, bye.